Good morning, students. Very well. Welcome to math class. In my previous class, we have completed first chapter and started the second chapter. In that, you have learned more, less. Okay, more than, less than you have learned. Same, we will start with the same topic, counting in groups. Yes, counting in groups you have learned yesterday. Counting in groups. In my live class, I have shown that how to count in a group, and also you have learned of more than, less than, and pairs of shoes, pairs of earrings. All I have shown you. Yes. Now, today we are going for the page number 12. Page number 12. Hop till you drop. Means you have to stand. How much time you can stand on one leg or one foot? You have to on right foot sometime you have to try, and on left feet you have to try. They shown in the picture like that you have to try. Okay. Now next, below, join the dots. This dog is hungry. Okay. Join the dots in order from 21 to 52. From 21 to 52 and find out what is hidden for him to eat. If you join these dots, you will get the eating item, food item for that dog, for that hungry dog. Okay, it is hungry now. He want food. Dog want food. Okay, we will join and we will check. They told to join from 21 to 52. From 21 to, you are going to join 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Okay, bone. It is a bone. To eat, the dog will eat this. This is the food of a dog. Yes, they have told you to join from 21 to 51. In this, what you have learned? Joining. And again what you have learned? Numbers from 21 to 50. Yes. And you came to know what the dog has its food. Naughty bro. This has torn the pages from the book. Write the page numbers in the correct order. Correct order means you have to write the numbers before which is the number before 48. Before 48, which will be the number? Check which is the before 40 number before 48. 50 is before or after? After. Okay, no. Then 47. 47 is the before number of the 48. Yes. Now 48 finished. Then after 48, which is the number? 49. Okay. Now here 50. Here 51. 52, 53. It means you have learned to write what numbers in order, in a correct order, in a correct pattern. You came to know the number patterns in this way: 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. You have learned number patterns and also how to count in groups and arrange the numbers in proper way. Means after 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Like this, how to arrange the numbers in a proper way, in a proper order, you are going to learn. Yes. Now, puzzle tale. Yes, this you take it as a homework. Okay, puzzle tale, this is a homework. It is very easy. How I have solved this hungry dog, same it is like that. You can check this. Tomorrow in our next class we will study different topic, and that today's homework for you to draw these cups, draw these shoes pairs, and count in groups and write it in your notebook, and complete the page number 10. Same, complete the page number 10 in the textbook, and also you have to arrange the things and count in groups. Okay, you can try at home. Use the different things, pairs or things, single things, make it group and you can count it. Okay, more than, less than, you can also learn this. What is more than, what is less than. Yes, you use the other things and try it at home. Puzzle tale, it is also homework for you all. I have completed the joining the dots in today's video. Tomorrow you have to, today homework you have to complete the puzzle tale. Tomorrow I will start a new topic, and the big carrot. Yes, we will start it tomorrow. And today you have learned that all you have to complete it at your book, your notebook, and write tables, write daily tables in a notebook and by heart it. Try to tell it. Try to tell the tables daily. Early in the morning before breakfast you can tell the tables, and in my live class also you are going to tell the tables. Okay, today you understood counting in the groups, so we will stop our video here and we will continue it in our next class. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.